Nothing exploded. Everything's fine here. Everything is safe. Hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to whatever the exact opposite of visual ASMR is, but with shoes, I guess. You can give me a follow on social media platforms that are listed above here. I only use one of them, but hey, why not include 3? And you can subscribe to the channel for more shenanigans like this. Hello, pals. This box comes to us from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com. It's a shop in California. I get these through a membership program that is currently closed, so you cannot buy them. So you have to watch people that look like this open them up on their YouTube channels. This box was $675 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois through FedEx. FedEx is terrible. For a grand total of $675. Look. I wasn't gonna eat it. It's clearance, it's a counter. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market. Follow along and then we'll compare everything at the end in the breakdown, which you can do whatever. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. If you wanna check out last week's episode of this series, right there, that's last week's box. It was $800, it was pretty good. Most of it has already sold, which is kinda crazy. And I'm saying that on a Monday. It's Monday when I'm recording this, even though the video is out on a Friday. For a box to sell through quite a bit within 4 days is pretty impressive. Let's see what's in this box, though. This first shoe out, it's a size US men's 12 on my back. It's a New Balance. I don't know what happened. As soon as I saw this shoe, I aged rapidly by 34 years, making me 74 years old now. It actually hurts in my throat. Yes, this is a New Balance something or other. It says X90, engineered by New Balance. So I can't tell if this is worn. Maybe, maybe not. If you're a fan of the color goldenrod and you are also an AARP member, this shoe might be good for you. It looks like it's dead stock. I'm pretty sure it's dead stock. There's just no box. But hey, New Balance. Pretty cool that New Balances are showing up in beater boxes. Hey, okay, size 12, one of these. Hey, if you want to buy those, I don't do senior discounts, unfortunately. But if you really want them, you can go to sbmitch.com today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They will be available for sale along with the other pairs in this box. Hopefully there's no more New Balance. Let's do this. We have a red Nike box. It's an Air More Uptempo in a size US men's 11.5. We got a used pair. This is the 2016 release, the Olympic Air More Uptempo. And Scottie Pippen's number 8 on the back there. They released these in 2020 and 2016 with virtually no difference other than the style ID tag. Let's see. A little bit of wear on the bottoms, not really, well, not wear, just dirt and a couple stones and stuff. Insole is in okay shape. I don't know if the light's gonna pick it up. Probably not, because my light situation is still weird because of my glasses. But there is a little bit of a Nike Air in there and a size tag. Pretty decent size for this kind of model. I just don't think there's really much demand for Uptempos, Air More Uptempos, but I could be wrong, because I'm wrong a lot. There you go, size 11.5. Olympic Air More Uptempo from 2016. What's this? Size US men's 11.5, Air Jordan 8 Retro. These are super lightly worn. This is a 2016 release, maybe 17. I think these are playoff 8s. I'm not really sure. I'm not too huge on 8s because I'm just not a fan of the model myself. But a lot of people really like 8s. That's the one thing I will say is things that I don't like, people generally like. So it's in very good condition too. Like the bottoms are really pristine. I have shoe trees. Full Jumpman on the insole, which I'm not gonna show you because it's not gonna pick it up. But yeah, this is a good one to get. I am not upset about this at all because it is a very good size too. Size 11.5, Jordan 8. I think they're playoff 8s. Could be wrong though. It'll say on the screen if I'm wrong or right. Good shoe to get. Not upset about that. We got a Jordan 11 in a size US men's 11. This is the Win-like 96 colorway based on the box. So let's hope it's not a replacement box. It is not. It's exactly what these are. They are worn pretty lightly though. It's the Win Like 96 Air Jordan 11. Not much creasing on the patent on the toe box, which is pretty cool. We have a full Jumpman on the insole. There are no shoe trees, and the outsole is discolored from wear and a little bit of age too, because these came out like 2018 or 2017. There is a little bit of heel drag right there, but nothing too bad. So a good shoe in an overall good condition too, so can't complain about that. Size 11, Jordan 11, Win Like 96 with the original box. Cool. I think this box is gonna end up being really good. All right. Size 11 and a half, Jordan 13 Retro Low. Good colorway if you ask me. They are worn. This is the Brave Blue Jordan 13 Low. Usually you see a lot of discoloration on these like pod thingies. There's not too much. The outsole is in good shape. Not much discoloration, not much dirt, just needs a quick cleanup. There is a little bit of insole wear and a little bit of sock lint on the inside here, which I can easily take out with a fabric shaver. So a good shoe in overall good shape. It's a low, so I don't know how people feel about 13 lows, but I think this is a really great colorway. I'm just a really big fan of this combination of colors for some reason. So size 11 and a half, right? Yeah, good shoe. Jordan 13 low. I think they're Brave Blues. Cool. Still two more in here. Ugh. We have another size 11 and a half. It's a Jordan 13 Retro. 2017 release. This is the Altitude 13. It's a basically triple black with a little bit of Altitude green on the outsole and on little hints, say like the insole and on the tongue here. Really basic Jordan 13. Good colorway because it's neutral and people seem to like that kind of stuff. With the original box, there's actually still a film over the hologram, which is pretty cool. Minimal insole wear, you got a full Jumpman in there still too. Good size and a good model for this, or a good size for this model too. I can't complain about this. Jordan 13, Altitude 2017, probably not crazy money, but still a good shoe to get because it's a good size, 11 and a half, boom. Cool, cool, we got one more in here. I can tell by the box what it is. This is Air Jordan International, size 11 and a half. There's a Polaroid of it, that's super weird. Size Jordan, or let's try that again. Size 11 and a half, Jordan 12 Premium. Super lightly worn. Wow, yeah, really great shape. This is the International Flight Jordan, Jordan 12. Kind of similar, I mean, it's color blocked like a normal Jordan 12. It's got this little like texture here on the side paneling, I guess you could call it, but it's got this textured suede all over everywhere else. Got this really cool printed liner, I couldn't think of the word. You got a full logo on the insole too, 23 on the back, silver tabs. I mean, this is just a really clean looking 12. And there's a lot of texture going on in here, so that just makes it a little more interesting to look at than say a normal like playoff 12, which don't get me wrong, playoff 12s are one of the best Jordans ever released aesthetically in my opinion, but this is still a really good shoe and a very good size. This is your last shoe out. Size 11 and a half, Jordan 12 Premium. International Flight. That is a $625 Sole Supremacy beater box. This box is probably one of the better boxes I've ever gotten. I feel really good about this box, but let's see what the numbers say right now. Yeah, I don't know what the breakdown said. I have a really good feeling about this box because I think the sizes are pretty solid and the models are all easily movable and they're in really good shape too. Yeah, it's a super solid box. Hey, if you want to buy any of these shoes, they'll be available on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can find that website by going to sbmitch.com. Before that happens, all the worn pairs will be cleaned and disinfected with the Reshoevn8r family of products, and you can save 10% off of your next Reshoevn8r order by using my code SBMitch10 at checkout. It'll save you 10% off the entire order because saving money is awesome, especially when it comes to shoes, because they are kind of an unnecessary hobby that a lot of us spend way too much money on. So saving money is always a good thing. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You may have noticed we hit 15,000 subscribers, which is absolutely buck wild. So thank you so much. I'm working on some kind of giveaway. Full disclosure, I don't make much money from this channel, so trying to think of something to give you guys as a thank you is kind of hard.
That's what she said.
Especially right now, because you'll notice I'm wearing these glasses and have been for a while. I'm having very expensive surgery in March. So I can't really spend a lot of money right now outside of what I normally spend. So I'll think of something, because I appreciate you all for taking the time out of your day to watch any of these dumb videos, even though I know you do it for Pancake. I mean, who wouldn't do it for that dog? I don't blame you one bit. Have a good weekend. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.